I have cup test here. I have 2 samples. Cup, that's the first one. 3 receive 10, 9, 12. The other one with its number, okay, it's a number HPS 04. So I put it number 4. Receive also 10. Okay. And the kit that I will use is this one, pylori K-set. Okay. Procedures are there. I will follow this 1, 2, 3. Okay. The positive result should be 2 lines. Okay. Now to take a sample, I label them top 3 and 4 also. Okay. To take 80 microliter from each. So I have 80 microliter. To take 80 and transfer to the sample. I previously vortex it already. Three to 3. That's one sample. I will close it first. That's number 3. That's number 4. Again, I previously vortex it already. This card, and it says here 2 vortex it again. Okay, so I am already on step 2 to vortex it after tightening the cup. Okay. And then after I vortex it on number 2, I should break these 2 and then drop on the strips. Okay, come vortex. Okay, here.
Bababa, parang mas pagbuti na lang nila.
Maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, then number 3. I hope this works properly. Okay, let's go again. Evidence is evidence, and procedure is procedure. So I am now on procedure number 3. Should break off the point, but should open this first. Okay, open it from there. That's kit number 1. And kit number 2. I will just label them as 3 and 4. 3, 4. Okay. Now it says there, break of the point of the cup and dispense 4 drops of diluted sample urine into the sample well. Okay, to assure proper delivery, FSS vial must be held vertically. So when I deliver 4 drops, that's the one. 4 drops in here and 4 drops of number 4 in there. And wait for, leave to react for 10 minutes. Okay, so I will break. Then drop. Okay, I will drop exactly 4 drops. A little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 drops. The other one, cup number 4, cup sample number 4. Held vertically. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to react at 10 minutes time. 10 minutes, it's 2:52. So at 3:02. Yeah, they should have the reaction there. Anong pamunas ng kilikili na?
Narinig ka dyan.
Sorry. We wait until it reacts. 10 minutes. We don't have a better timer there. Maybe we can have from here. From here. We have a timer. 20 minutes. We have a timer. Very good. Very good. So that's the expected result. Kung sa masyadong ilayo, maybe they will tell us we have done something or switch something. Focus. Okay. It should react. No problem. Cup sample. Cup sample. Itausog mo kaya. Ang kilikili basa na.
Ilok mo basa na. YouTube ano yan?
Kasi sabi dapat isang positive daw at isang negative. So we will see. Minute ano yung nag-start? Minute 6 minutes. I will also call. Still. So it should finish on minute 16. Minute 16, maybe 6 minutes more. Nanginginig ako eh. Para ka ng ano yan sis? Cameraman. See, ayan eh. Lalabas na yung control line.
Blurred kasi daw dito.
Control line yung lalabas na. Reading windows becomes sooner the moment the test and control lines becomes visible. The sooner the control and test lines are visible. And I documented everything. Yeah, still.
So negative.
It started on minute 6, so it should end at minute 16. Then 10 minutes. But it says here,
Still no.
result may be reported sooner the moment the test and the QC and the control lines are become visible. So it's just the control lines are now visible.
And the test, there is nothing.
Still nothing. Yeah, we still have in maybe 5 minutes more in here in the time. Should end at minute 16. Documented everything.
Yeah, good.
I followed.
I like you write the dates when you are starting, yeah, and you repeat it sometimes, no problem. I think it's the problem with the shipment,
Yeah.
during the shipment.
Probably. And before, the test that we have is the one without this. We prepare the diluent.
Yeah,
Now we have a different kit, but from the
Yeah,
same
and
company.
you follow the instruction of the
I did.
kit, yeah.
Yeah, she saw.
Yeah, I know,
The camera saw everything.
No, I know. You are following. They're just asking.
See, still until now, test lines are not visible.
Not visible, yeah.
And it should be done in ordinary flat bench.
It's good.
Yeah, it's the zoom.
How many minutes?
It started on
3 minutes more.
3 minutes more, and then
I told Doctor maybe the shipment. Because we follow.
yeah, maybe we can also tell them. Almost. Sis, say hi. Hi, sis. Thanks a lot. A little help.
Anong oras na?
Hindi pa. Hindi pa eh. Ano nga yun? 10 minutes eh. Dapat 3:02. Hindi, right? Ang bilis eh. Ang bilis yung timer na ito. Nasa dyan. At least yan yung timer dyan. 2 minutes na lang. 14. Maaaring nung na-receive ko to, na-room temp yung buong box. No? Kasi hapon to binigay sa akin. Sabi ko eh, afternoon na yun. Wala na siyang vertical, one vertical lang, control only. Ito, may kakrams. Nakain namin yung natirang banana doon. Turn number 3 there, HPS 03 and HPS 04. number niya, cup number. HPS 04. Yun na lang siya. Zoom mo na lang konti doon. Hindi, ganunin mo. Yan. Zoom yan. Yun yung number. HPS 04. Ito.
Mga galong.
Hindi tang konti. Ganunin mo naman. Yun. Focus yan sa HPS 04 and the other one HPS 03 and final result dun. One line control for both samples 3 and 4. Test line negative for line, no line for test for both, no line. Okay, that ends our cup test for H. pylori. Thank you very much. This is Mike and Princess on the camera. Thank you.